We're now ready to enter the conversion balances. When you first come in here, there's only three accounts showing. That's accounts receivable, accounts payable, and your bank account. So I've entered in those balances, and then you just add a new line to add in further accounts. I've added the inventory adjustment because we are using a perpetual inventory system. That's why it's in an inventory adjustment account, and we will set up the individual inventory items for tracking in another video. So continue through your trial balance to enter the opening balances. So the next one is fixtures and fittings, 730, highlight the account and enter the amount. After the asset, there's always the accumulated depreciation, which will be a credit. So continue on entering all the balances until you have the adjustments will be at 0. You can see I've entered all the opening balances, but I am out by $30. So I've been through the adjustments, and I can see I've made an error with the accounts receivable figure. I just click on there and change it, and now you can see the adjustments are at 0. Once you've completed that, make sure you hit save. Once you've saved, you should see the next screen is saying that you are out of balance with your accounts receivable. All this is doing is asking you which debtor or which debtors actually owe you this money. So just follow through the screen, and you will now add an invoice for the company that owes you that money. So I've gone in, entered the invoice. It is from Blue Water, and I've entered the due date, which is the 20th of January. We've said that it's an opening balance, and it was $590, and the account is the historical adjustment account. So once you're happy with that, just save the invoice. You'll now be prompted through to the accounts payable opening figure, now that we can match these two. This is now accounts payable. Just follow through, and we now have to add a bill for who we owe this money to. So for the accounts payable, I've added a bill. That is to Kayak World, due the 20th of January. Said that the opening balance is this amount, and placed it in the historical adjustment account. I now ask to save that. It will now match it with our accounts payable amount from the trial balance. And we're now ready to continue with the exercise because everything is now matched and happy.